A landscape Japanese garden. Modern house is a stunning architectural style that merges the simplicity and elegance of modern design with the timeless tranquility of traditional Japanese gardens. This harmonious fusion creates an environment that promotes a deep connection with nature, balancing the indoor and outdoor spaces to evoke a sense of peace and serenity. The design is a symphony of natural materials, open spaces, and minimalist aesthetics, all working together to enhance the living experience. At the heart of the landscape Japanese garden modern house is the philosophy of Wabi-Sabi, a traditional Japanese aesthetic concept that finds beauty in imperfection and impermanence. This principle is complemented by the Zen philosophy, which emphasizes simplicity, mindfulness, and the harmonious relationship between man and nature. Together, these ideas inform both the architectural layout and the garden design, resulting in a space that fosters contemplation and relaxation. The modern architecture in this style is characterized by clean, minimalist lines, open-plan spaces, and a strong emphasis on natural light and materials. The structure often consists of simple geometric forms with a focus on functionality and the use of modern construction techniques. However, unlike many contemporary designs that might feel cold or impersonal, the landscape Japanese garden modern house imbues warmth and tranquility through the careful selection of materials and its seamless integration with nature. The house's construction typically incorporates materials such as wood, stone, glass, and concrete, all of which are chosen for their organic qualities and ability to age gracefully. Wooden elements, particularly in the form of timber beams, flooring, and shoji-style sliding doors, offer a connection to traditional Japanese architecture. These wooden features are often left in their natural state, allowing the grain, texture, and imperfections to enhance the home's overall aesthetic. Tatami flooring is another traditional element that might be incorporated into specific areas like bedrooms or meditation rooms, providing both a tactile and visual link to Japanese culture. The architectural layout of a landscape Japanese garden modern house is typically designed with an open-plan concept, that encourages the flow of energy and movement. Spaces are arranged in such a way that there is a seamless transition between the indoor living areas and the outdoor garden. This is achieved through the use of sliding doors and screens, which can be opened to allow fresh air and natural light to permeate the interior. The Japanese garden is central to this architectural style and is designed to be viewed from both inside and outside the home. Traditional elements such as koi ponds, stone lanterns, bridges, and meticulously pruned bonsai trees are common features, though they are often given a modern interpretation to complement the minimalist architecture of the house. Water is another important feature in Japanese garden design, and it is often incorporated in the form of ponds, streams, or waterfalls. In a modern house, these water elements may take on a more minimalist form, such as a reflecting pool or a simple water fountain. The sound of running water adds to the overall sense of peace and relaxation, creating a soothing background noise that enhances the feeling of being immersed in nature. The landscape Japanese garden modern house is a perfect synthesis of traditional Japanese aesthetics and contemporary architectural innovation. It offers a sanctuary where simplicity reigns, and every element, from the layout of the house to the design of the garden, works in harmony to promote peace, mindfulness, and a deep connection with nature. This architectural style is not just about creating a space to live, but about creating an environment that nurtures the spirit and fosters a sense of well-being. It embodies the timeless principles of Japanese design while embracing the functional and aesthetic advancements of modern architecture.